Hi everybody, Chris with Cheyenne Air Gunner, and here we go. We've got a Sheridan Blue Streak here, and it's roughly, it was born in 1972. The serial number is 024956. It's got an A stamped right there, so I don't know. But this is the one that has the breech. Yeah. Boom, 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 boom. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take it all the way apart. Okay. And you guys don't need to see that. You've seen me taking plenty of Sheridans apart. But I'm going to take this all the way apart. When I get it all the way apart, I'm going to try two ways to do this. I want to see what that stuff is that's underneath it, which doesn't look like much of anything. But I'm going to check and see if that's solder. Looks like it's soldered. It's holding to about right there. And I'm just going to see, because I don't want to mess up the blacking on this, because it's looking good for a 1972, you know what I mean? Looks really nice. The blacking looks good on it. And the stock's really not too bad. It's not like terrible or anything. I don't know, there's some, looks like it fell against some white paint right there. But I'm going to tear it all apart, get everything out of it, all the guts, all that kind of stuff. Take the bolt out of it, and I'm going to see if I cannot, I'm going to try two ways. I'm going to try to flux it, put flux underneath it, and heat it up and see if that solder, seals it all back up. And if it don't, then I got some of the thin soldering. I'm going to reflux it again. Take this thin solderer, right? This is 0.08 millimeters, I think. And I'm going to run that bead from there, underneath here, around the back, all the way along here and up here. All right, I'm going to try, see what happens. All right, guys, thanks. Okay, guys, I'm back. And I'm going to see if I can't get this soldered on. It's all cleaned out. Everything's out of it. And I'm going to see what I can do to get this to solder back together. We'll see. Give us a little flux here. Let's see if we can get it underneath there. That flux looks like it's old as heck. We'll see what happens. Okay, let's see what happens. Hoping it'll work. We'll see. There we go. Let's fire up the heater. See if we can get it. Too much. I don't know. I hope it don't mess up the really don't. I hope it don't mess up Let's see. If anything happens here. Start low. Just one side at a time, I guess. I like to do both. See a little bit of solder right there, but it's starting to bubble. That usually means it's time. I just don't want it to mess up the bottom one. Dang it. I think I might have cooked them. I should have done this first. Yep. She finally cooled down. Looks like I got a little bead on it. All the way up the edge there. See it right here? See right there? Looks like I got it all the way in there. Maybe right there. Got it around the back of that right there. Looks like I got a nice line right through there. But look what it did to the blacking. Can you see it? Yeah, I think that's the flux that did that. Yeah. I don't know. We'll have to see it when I get her back together, see what she does. All right. See you guys. Hey guys, here I am. Back again with this. And I just used a little bit of that blacking, my blacking that I used before when I did them. And it took it up pretty nice. You know, it got rid of all that burn and everything. There's a little bit on it that's going to be covered up by wood probably. But for the most part, it looks okay. I like it. I think it'll be fine. So I'm going to put it all back together. And look, it's soldered in there. I got it to stay. So we'll see. All right. I'll talk to you in a minute. Here we are. I finally got it all back together. I did. See? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Look. It's working. I soldered it good. I didn't know that, but I did. Shoot. We'll find out. I'm going to put a couple, well, let me put the stock on it first. Okay, I'll put the old stock on it. Yeah, tighten her up. Get her nice and tight and snug. Give us a couple pumps. There's 4. I don't hear nothing. Woo! Sounds strong. Sounds real strong. Let's see what it does with the pellet. Get me a pellet. I got a stop right here. I got one of those Sheridan stops. I don't know if you've ever seen them. Made from Sheridan. There's a pellet in it. Put me a pellet in it. I'm going to give her 5. 4. 5. Safety works. Hey. She rings the chime. All right. There she is. Soldered that back on there. Nice and strong. It worked. So she shoots a pellet. I like it. Uh-oh. 1 and 2. That's the way we store them. All right, guys. Thanks.